how you can log in the panel. See, first thing first, I will tell you why we need to log in the panel. If you're not logging in the panel, there are many things in the panels you cannot check or you cannot do inside the panel. First thing first, you have to log in, then you can see that there is many points. So let's get in the panel. For the login, we will the same process. First, press menu. You see here the change access level, right? Okay, now you press enter. Now you can see here for login you have to press 1 and for the logout you have to press 2. Okay, now you will press 1. Now you have to enter the password that is same for every system for Simplex 333 times 3. Okay, now we will enter. Okay, now see we are logging. Okay, once again. See now you are logging. You see the access level is changed here, right? And if you have to log in, log out, just press 2 if you will log out. Okay, after we log in, now the things how you can disable and enable the points. First we will show you how you can disable the points. Okay, for disabling the point, let's say I will you can see here the button right here, it's written id net number 6. You will press that. Okay, now it's written here mapper device. I mean you have to press first loop number. What is the loop number? Let's say I will disable in loop 1, so I'll just press 1. Okay, now you have to press dash. Okay, dash. Now which device number you have to disable? Let's say I will disable device number 2. Now we will enter. Now you see that is a smoke detector. That is device is now normal. Loop 102 device. Okay, now what will I do? You see in the corner here there are two buttons, enable and disable. Just simply press disable and then enter. Okay, as you can see the trouble here, now device is disabled. Now what we'll do, the same thing if you want to enable the device. See, there are few seconds in the panel you will be login, otherwise you have to log in again. Now you are logging, so you don't need to log in again. Just press here the acknowledge button. You see that device is disabled. Right now what we will do, simply again here press enable button, then enter. It will take 1 minute and device will be enabled. So as you can see, now the device is normal. We learned in this video how to change date and time, how to log in the panel, and how you can disable and enable the points. So now if you see this video is helpful for you and gives you value, then please do subscribe and like this video.